Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 10 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Sky and the name of the chapter is The Great Ruler Shivaji. Dear students, in this chapter we have already completed the explanation of this chapter as well as word meaning and learning words, and we have also completed true false given in the chapter. Dear students, today we will discuss the question answer, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given in the chapter. Okay student, so just see, you also open your book and notebook and start writing the question. Just see students, your first question is this: uh, who was Shivaji's father? Where did he work? Dear students, you write down this question. Question number first, question number A: who was Shivaji? Who was Shivaji's father and where did he work? Dear students, you all have uh, read it in the previous classes. Shivaji's father was Shahaji and he worked as an officer in the army of Sultan of Ahmednagar. Okay, you write it in your notebook. Shivaji's father, once again I am going to repeat. Shivaji's father was Shahaji. Shahaji worked as an officer in the army of Sultan of Ahmednagar. Okay, so you write it in your notebook, and after completing this answer you will come to the next question. Question number second. Just see students, what is question number second? Just see question number B: what do you know about Jijabai? What do you know about Jijabai? You will write this question in your notebook. What do you know about Jijabai? And write down the answer. Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji. Who was Jijabai? Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji. She was not only very religious but also a courageous lady. She was not only very religious but also a courageous lady. Okay, student, this is the answer of the question number B. You will write it. It is very simple, very short answer. You will write it in your notebook. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number third. Who were Shivaji's companion and what did he learn from them? Okay, student, just see the question number third. Who were Shivaji's companion and what did he learn from them? This is your question and you will write the answer of this question. Shivaji's companion, you can write it. Shivaji's companion were tough and hardy shepherds boys of the hills. From them he learned to ride the wildest horses and explore the thickest jungle. Okay students, just write down this answer. Once again I am going to repeat the answer. Shivaji's companions were tough and hardy shepherd boys of the hills. From them he learned to ride the wildest horses and explore the thickest jungle. Okay, so this is the answer of question number third. Okay students, you will write it in your notebook, and after completing this answer come to the next question. Question number D. Question number 4. Okay, just see what is the question number 4. What happened when Shivaji and Afzal Khan met? Dear students, when you were reading this chapter, when I was explaining this chapter, I have told the answer and it is also given. You may also write. When Shivaji met Afzal Khan, it appeared that two were embracing. Embracing means gale milna. Just see. When Shivaji met Afzal Khan, it appeared that two were embracing, but actually Afzal Khan held Shivaji's neck in a wrestler grip in his left hand and struck him with his sword. Afzal Khan saw that Shivaji carried no sword Shivaji is saved by his steel suit. At the same time, Shivaji had plunged the dagger into Afzal's body and tore open his belly with steel claws. Okay, students, this is the answer. What happened when the Shivajis and Afzal Khan met? Dear students, when they met, it seems that both were embracing each other, but it was not reality. And Afzal Khan held Shivaji's neck in wrestler grip and struck him with his sword. But what happens? Shivaji already wore the steel suit, therefore he is saved. Shivaji is saved by his steel suit. At the same time, Shivaji had plunged the dagger into Afzal's body and tore open his belly with his steel claws. Okay, so you will write this answer in a notebook. Once again, I am going to repeat the answer so that you could understand. Just see, when Shivaji met Afzal Khan, it appeared that the two were embracing, but actually Afzal Khan held Shivaji's neck in a wrestler grip with his left hand and struck him with his sword. Afzal Khan saw that Shivaji carried no sword. Shivaji was saved by his steel suit. At the same time, Shivaji had plunged the dagger into Afzal's body and tore open his belly with the steel claws. Okay, students. So this is the answer, and come to the next question. Dear students, that is the filling the blanks. We have already completed the exercise number 2, that is true false. We have already completed, and now we will discuss the question number exercise number 3, that is filling the blanks. It is given here. The question is given here. Complete the sentences with the words from the lesson. Okay, dear students, there is blank and you have to fill the suitable word in the given blank. Okay, just see, the first question is given here. Shivaji remain as one of the most popular hero of our ... Dear students, in the blank you will fill the word country. Okay, and what would be the complete sentence? Shivaji remain as one of the most popular hero of our... In the blank you will write country. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number B. Afzal Khan had held Shivaji's neck in wrestler grip. Students, you will write the word grip in the blank number B. In the question number B, you will fill the word grip, GRIP. Okay, so what would be the correct sentence? Afzal Khan had held Shivaji's neck in wrestler grip. Okay, so in the first blank you will fill the word country. In the second blank you will fill the word grip. Now we will discuss the next question. Question number C. Let's see. By 1658, Shivaji had brought the whole of North conquered area under his control. Okay, students, you will fill the word control. Once again, I am going to repeat the sentence. By 1658, Shivaji had brought the whole of North conquered area under his control. Okay, you will fill the word control in the given blank. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number D. Just see. In 1647, Shivaji was crowned the king of Marathas at Raigad. Okay, students, you will fill the word Raigad, Raigarh. That is the correct spelling of the word Raigad. Okay, students, so in this way, in the first question, we will fill the word country. We will fill the word country. In the second question, in the question number B, we will fill the word grief. And in the question number C, we will fill the word control. And in the question number D, we will fill the word Raigad. Okay, students. So in this way, we have also completed the exercise number 3, that is filling the blanks. Now come to the multiple choice question which is given in your book. You may also see. I have written the option. You also try to complete it by your own. Just see what is the question. Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. The sentences are given but it is incomplete, and you have to complete the sentence using the suitable most appropriate option. Choosing the most appropriate option. Students, just see the question number A. We can see the question number A. Shivaji was born in the fortress of Sivner in 1627. Okay, students, the option number second 1627 is the correct option. You will tick on it. Okay, come to the next question. Question number B. Just see. Shivaji brought under his control many Marathas captains who had grown powerful owing to the weakness of the ruler of Vijapur. Okay, students, option number 4 is the correct option. Shivaji brought under his control many Marathas captains who had grown powerful owing to the weakness of the ruler of Bijapur. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number C. The C, students, question number C. Which option is the correct? Read the question. Read the sentence. When Afzal Khan attacked Shivaji, he was saved by his steel suit, because Shivaji already wore a steel suit to protect himself. Okay, so option number first is the correct option. When Afzal Khan attacked Shivaji, he was saved by his steel suit. Okay, students, so what would be the correct option? Steel suit. The first option is the correct option. Okay, come to the next question. Question number D. Just say, students, Shivaji died in 1680 at the age of 53. At the age of 53. Okay, students, option number second is the correct option. Okay, students, so this is all about the exercises. Okay, students, so today we have discussed the question answer of this chapter, filling the blanks, and exercise that is multiple choice question. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the things. You all have understood the question answer, filling the blanks, and multiple choice question that has been taught today. Okay, and in this way we have completed this chapter number 10, that is the great ruler Shivaji. Okay, students, if you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.